guys, so today I will work on my BBS wheels. It comes from a 2002 Jaguar XKR. That's a factory wheels, but the paint on it a little bit yellowish, and a decorative chrome rings, it's damaged a tiny bit. So I just take apart, I will resurface the wheels, and I remove these damaged chrome rings. This is everything you will need for the job. Okay guys, so this is my 2002 Jaguar Coupe. I already removed the wheels. Here we go. So this is 1, 2, 3, and here is the fourth one. If you're trying to do a project like this, the only thing what you really need, this head, socket head, that's called M8. Easy to remember from the BMW. So that's an M8 size, and that's just perfectly fit here. A little bit of oxidation on this surface, and not much. I will sanding down, but otherwise look good. Here is this chrome ring. So this is damaged. I mean, I kind of hate to, you know, damage it and remove it, but on the other rear wheel it's terrible here. So the funny part, get the screwdriver, and trying to remove it. That's why I'm saying is I'm pretty sure that you can do that without damage. So and a little bit of glue here, otherwise looks a nice surface. I think that will be pretty easy to clean it, sanding down and repaint it. I'm happy with it. So 3 more. That had an air in it. I totally forget. Oh my god. Okay, that was a little bit more difficult. I will mark the wheels, which centerpiece goes in which wheel, because I just want to make sure I reinstall, you know, the same wheel with the same centerpiece. Don't forget to put back the valves. Because we don't need the water inside the rim. Wipe the glue down gently, then wipe it down with acetone. Make sure you remove all the oxidation to make it ready for wet sanding. So before I start to sanding down for the paint, I take care about this surface and that. I want to make sure it's close right next to each other, the two metal part, and also for the hub. So I will use this for sanding down. Okay, so finally here is the time to use the primer. Okay, so after the color, but before the clear coat, that's how I look. Here is the valve location. So this thing comes here like that. Well guys, so it's done. First of all, I was sure I will finish this in a weekend, you know, probably 3 days. That was at least 5 days. I just do a pretty basic things. Remove all the bolts, separate the two piece, and a lot of sanding. So if you want to do the right work, you definitely have to make sure you go through every single step with the sandpaper, wet sanding, make sure every surface is perfect. I done a lot of work to sanding down and still not perfect. Looks really good, definitely good enough for me. So I ordered these center caps from Amazon. Super cheap, $16 a kit. Looks great. I mean, perfectly fit. I don't think any of them is loose or something, so it's kind of stuck here. I just want to show you guys the original one. So of course much more detailed is no question. I kind of like the Jaguar sign here, so that's a different. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I help a little bit. I was kind of scared before I started. How can I take apart, you know, will be seal or any kind of you know, rubber like kind of seal or something like that will be between the two piece, but nothing like that. Just metal surface. Absolutely not difficult. So that's how come out. I think looks pretty good. Take about 3 or 4 days at least, with lot of sanding, and I think really good idea to make sure you get the right paint. I made a matching color with my car, so I want to make sure, you know, this looks good on the end result, because after that many work, really worth it to get a right quality paint with the right color.